Mayroon ngang naging babala at open letter ang isang netizen na si Chris Chu sa kanyang Facebook page. Anya lose-lose situation of Bongbong Marcos, aka di pinag-isipan ang mga desisyon sa buhay. Ang pinakamasaklap sa desisyon ni Bongbong Marcos na hindi niya pinag-isipan is that he is in a lose-lose situation because he betrayed our country and gave Rodrigo Duterte the ICC. Akala ng mga Marcos Romualdez that bringing PRRD to the Hague will assure them of victory. That if they got rid of the old man, he is no longer can campaign against them and can no longer be a lawyer for Sara, so mananalo sila. Di sila nag-iisip because their greed and anger got the better of them. Imagine 80-year-old Rodrigo Duterte in his ill-fitting blue suit that's clearly not his, talking to the ICC and to the world. The reason I am here is because my family and I am politically persecuted because I told our countrymen that our current president is blank. Imagine yung case na meron ng ICC 48 drug war deaths over a period of 11 years. Crimes against humanity ang kaso. Isang operation lang yon during the martial law years. Tapos binigay ng Pilipinas sa ICC si PRRD. Klaro ko lang ha, binigay ng Pilipinas. Tax natin ang ginamit para ipadala si PRRD sa The Hague. Plane night natin, pulis natin, walang Interpol. Hindi tayo ang nag-cooperate sa Interpol. Interpol ang nag-cooperate sa mga plano nila. Patuloy nga ng pahayag ng nasabing Facebook page, if Duterte starts talking, hindi na lang local media mag-cover nitong mga pinagsasabi niya. Reuters, AFP, Western media, Chinese media, etc. Media that Martin Romualdez cannot control or buy will be the running his story. Whether or not they believe it, can you imagine the scrutiny? Trump has launched his own war on drugs. He will be called a hypocrite if he deals with Marcos unless he is able to verify first. Can you imagine the intense spotlight this world put on Marcos Jr. when Duterte's claims make it to headlines all over the world? And what if he dies during detention? What now if Rodrigo dies abroad? Filipinos will never forgive BBM. Say ng mga netizen, there will be violent reactions. Say ng netizen na ito, ako personally, I have accepted the fact that PRRD won't have a beautiful retirement. He is not the type. Kung mapakulong dito, wala akong magagawa, but I will never forgive this administration if PRRD dies abroad. He lived his life in defiance of the white man, and for BBM to give him to the white man to be judged, it's the absolute betrayal, not just to Duterte, but to the Filipino people. He doesn't not understand Filipino pride. Bongbong Marcos, he does not understand the patriotic sentiment of wanting to die in the land they love. Filipinos will never forget this, and the Marcoses will say goodbye to their political future. Samantala sa ibang balita naman, matapos murahin ng bunsong anak ni FPRRD, si Torre, ay pinatawad naman niya ito at sinabing bata pa. At FFRD biktima umano ng extrajudicial rendition ayon kay Salvador Medialdea, ang tumatayo na counsel ni ex-President Duterte sa ngayon ay hearing sa ICC. Samantala, mula naman kay Greco Belhica, iligal na aresto kay PRD dahil lang sa politika, hindi sa drug war, magkaisa at bumawi sa balota, alisin ang mga abusado at magnanakaw. Yan ang ating showbiz na update. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.